Easy. Can be the one them attack gun for. Bust out them head with the cutlass back.
Buckler, no, we don't like that. The man say go bust out them with the back of the cutlass. The back of the cutlass. Go on, youth.
Talk them to the street, then the boy fuck around them, I get the lead. Thank God me no give one fuck like jump.
You hear that? You don't around put them on the youth. If you mess with the money, you get delete. You get wipe out, white paint. Buckly, go on.
Belly with the big long bum pussy hole, you go dead with no drink and jump.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now we're here with another Grenada reaction. The one named Greenz bad. By who? D1. This is my first D1 reaction. And yeah, you guys recommended it. I don't know the chop already. What go for the energy? Yeah, mess up people. What D1 Greenz bad? You didn't say, I want to go to Grenada people. Big up on yourself. Comment on this video to see your comment next video that I post. I know post every single day. Few to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand me? I try say? Yeah. Only way I talk to you more to soon comments over this or something. Just go and make the comments them. Comment on the video to see your comment in the next one, you know. Yeah. Like the video, guys. Any video I post, guys, even if it's not from your Caribbean island or your place, we just want to touch the video and just give it a like. Watch it for a while, mate. You don't have to watch it full video. I'm gonna support, you know. I'm gonna help to cover the whole Caribbean, you know. That. You see me? I say. You see, I'm going to take over the whole Caribbean. I'm going to start off the whole of the Caribbean name, because trust me, I say my name Tyrekevlogs, though. Vlogs, my name, you know? But guess what? Still a reaction boss. You see, I'm going to start to go to the whole Caribbean name and I'm going to see some different stuff. Just go on, like the video and subscribe. You know what? Run tune! Disclaimer. Strictly for entertainment purposes only. Now, hold on, pause. Them man here come from up on scooter. Want to hear about Greenz man them? Go on! And here comes the blade them.
Easy now, boy.
Well, I'm broke. Before I start, kill the place. Now I speak up yourself as usual. Then I say, shout out to everybody over Trinidad. Over Grenada. Most Trinidad reactions me I do from my day. But Jadon, shout out to everybody over Grenada. Then I say, big up on yourself. Run tune. Yeah.
Easy.
I don't know about the man on a shirt.
Can be the one them attack gun for. Bust out them head with the cutlass back.
Boss out them with the cutlass. I cutlass back him say, I try and make everything what bro gonna say right now. Go on with it, Noah. Noah X and you. D1, go on.
Easy. Can be the one them attack gun for. Bust out them head with the cutlass back.
Buckler, no, we don't like that. The man say go bust out them with the back of the cutlass. The back of the cutlass. Go on, youth.
Talk them to the street, then the boy fuck around them, I get the lead. Thank God me no give one fuck like jump.
You hear that? You don't around put them on the youth. If you mess with the money, you get delete. You get wipe out, white paint. Buckly, go on.
Belly with the big long bum pussy hole, you go dead with no drink and junk. Man a silent killer like a Buddhist mouth.
Hold on. Youth, you got dead when you drink and drunk. Since when you drink and drunk at the right hand, but man I got circle your heads. If you drink and get drunk, I'm sorry, you don't make. Them man when them call D when I come circle your ends. Circle your ends, people. Greenz bad the man say. Run tune.
Greenz bad, real to the thing in a dog.
Yeah.
Big cutlass in a bag.
Buckler. When you hear about that? Greenz bad. Hey, real to the thing when up. Man say big cutlass in a bag. In the bag the man I carry the cutlass. In the bag the man I carry the cutlass. In the bag. Yo, run tune. Yeah.
Real to the thing in a dog.
Alright then.
Big up me Trinidad linky them with
you got all them man over Trinidad too, but watch your style here. You see the way them man have one less a shake. You know? Have a less a party, everything. All them man them in the crowd have a less. Nobody get caught during every day. I hope not. But when the Greenz bad.
I'm going for my brad. So me had cool like 1910. Dark man dark and no time to pretend.
Buckley man said dark, him not pretend. But guess what people? You see the man a flex? It's a scooter the man a flex pan with. The man na RR. The man na Mark X. You did me I say, the man na have the Bumbuckle belt BMW flex. It's a scooter the man a flex with that video. Watch it video people.
We know I pass me the blend.
Yeah, watch it.
Now it's time to kill them. Knock it in a face shot, bust of them throat. Big up me to.
You see the man serious for them blade? The man have a built-in pants, built-in pocket pan him waist for him blade. A built-in pocket pan him pants for him blade. The Greenz man them serious about them blade. Run Bumbuckle Bell tune.
Dogs them the whole of ice scope. Big parish man them don't make joke.
Yeah.
We laugh. Dog, the boy them love fi big one press on the thing.
What the boy them love for do?
Press on the thing, boy gone 6 feet. Them a iPhone bad man hide and tweet. Hunt we a hunt them down whole week, bro.
Sing have bad. The song have a different flow from the Contagious and one name Toxic. You see me, it's a different flow the song have. Me not like to go on bad. Wanna think about the song. For those who are the first time I watch a sing, listen to the brother them called D1. You didn't if on the first time this amazing song. Wanna think. Run tune.
For the morning, big rifle a bust without warning. 6 him get when he fucking charming. All soldiers falling.
What that? You hear that? Son, see that boy rifle I think I last alone on the use. When I use the gun them to because them man fire some big gun. You see me? You last can't go do nothing when the man fire them gun the youth. Or run tune no man.
Greenz bad, real to the thing in a dog.
Well and a ton call me the man cook out the door. Must see if a ton call me the bro gotta cook. Where part there? Why not pot that? Why not pot?
I'm in. All soldiers falling.
Pot!
Greenz bad.
Tell me what them a cook. Look like some cimarrons there in the pot, dog. I don't know what them a cook. I don't know what them a cook out the door, that's a dog. Wood fire and baiting. You see me? Run through no.
Big up me Trinidad linky them with the big long one from my bag. Can be the one them a
Get the message? When you get the message, dog. When you get the message, right? And not me alone here, why man just. Alright. Once you get the message, everything, baby. Run tune.
That gun va, but so they made the cutlass back.
Yeah.
When me talk them to the
That part they just step for dog. Boss how they make egg with the cutlass back, youth. You know when the man say gun butt, you call it on a cutlass butt. That part they grind with that part that levels up the place, dog. Boss out the egg with the cutlass back. The man don't use gun back, cutlass back. Sklar, dog, yeah, general.
I get the lead, thank God me no give one fuck like jump. Full of boy belly with the big long bum. Pussy hole you go dead with no drink and
The part kind of sound shake is in the full up boy belly with the big long arrow. But you don't mind I say, me like it, me rate the song, me like the flow, me like everything so far. I want to think about the song again. Run it through now, man. Why you weed? John, what you ever gonna start by your key? Watch mama. Yes, sir, if you never look good, me never more than say woman that. Mention you in a story. Big up yourself, thanks for doing that. You don't know it chop. Run tune.
junk man a silent killer like a Buddhist monk.
Greenz bad.
Real to the thing in a
Alright. Hey, the woman them one side too now. Like the whole community I support the man movement. It's a good bumbuckle belt look. Greenz bad. I like it. And listen to the Grenada video, them always outside dog. And them always there in them community I do them thing. Them man when I go rent out no big house, you do me I say I go pay for no yacht and them thing. Them man in the community dog with them go zinc pens and thing dog. I rate that. I love that with them. Go on. Hey yeah. Greenz bad. Everybody outside. A shopkeeper is supposed to make the most money in their life. The person who own a shop here is supposed to reach that area. Because I barely can, you know? Him supposed to reach. Him shop is supposed to be the biggest shop in Grenada right now. You hear me? Alright, go on. Alright. Song done. Girl them pum pum. Wet up now. Make them know about reaction. Boss. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. I hope you enjoy a little reaction or whatever. Comment some more Grenada songs you want me to check out, and I'll be sure to check them out. Alright? Sure to check them out. I'm out.